Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about 9th class 11th dated assignment children and assignment number 33 and 34. So let us see the model of this assignment, 1 mark questions and 4 mark questions children. So once you please come and join with me. Yes, first one of the first Roman. In a triangle, the largest side in a triangle, okay, the largest side and the largest angle are, okay, dash to each other. See children, generally already we discussed largest angle and largest side are opposite to each other. Smallest side and smallest angle are opposite to each other. Let us see a small diagram here. Here A, B, C. Okay. So here BC is the largest side. BC is the largest side. If it is largest side, then this angle is largest angle, okay, then the remaining two. So largest side and largest angle, where they are situated in any triangle, both are opposite to each other. Both are opposite to each other. Okay. Next, in a triangle, question number 2. In a triangle, okay, if AB is the smallest side, if AB is the smallest side, then the smallest angle is, you see here, just now we discussed largest angle and largest side are opposite to each other. Similarly, smallest side and smallest angle are also opposite to each other. In this question, if AB is the smallest, okay, then the angle opposite to the smallest is smallest angle. So the angle which is opposite to the smallest side AB is what? Angle C. Is what children? Angle C. So our next question. Third one from first Roman. Okay. In triangle ABC, if BC less than CA less than AB, if the sides are in this order, then what is the order of the angles? Then the angles are in dash order, or then the order of the angles. See here, say for example, what are the sides? Given that sides are in this order, BC less than CA less than AB. Okay. So BC less than CA less than AB. So automatically the angles opposite to BC, angle A, same order, opposite to CA, angle B, and opposite to AB, what? Angle C. So if BC less than CA less than AB, then the angles opposite to the same inequality is also in same order. So that means opposite to BC, angle A, opposite to CA, angle B, opposite to AB, angle C. Angle A less than angle B less than angle C. Like that we can discuss. Okay children, this is for question number 3. Now our next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. You see here, in a triangle, if AC greater than BC, in triangle ABC, okay, if AC greater than BC, then the angles are in dash order. You see here children, AC greater than BC. This is given. AC greater than BC. What is the name of our triangle? ABC. So, see generally ABC, the angle opposite to AC, B, the angle opposite to AC, B, is also the angle opposite to BC. So you take ABC, okay, you cancel BC, then A, opposite to BC, A, also in same order. If AC greater than BC, other than AC in ABC, B, other than BC in ABC, A, are also in same order, the angles. Okay children? So our next question, Roman number 2. Question number 5. So in the given figure, angle B less than angle A. So what they given children? Angle B less than angle A. Okay. Right. And angle C less than angle D. Okay. Now we need to show AD less than AC. Okay. Now you see the diagram once. Let us draw the diagram once. This is AB. This is CD. So join B to C, A to D. This intersecting point is O. Now let us observe some given information. What is the given information here? Given that, see children, angle B less than angle A. Angle B less than angle A. So whenever we have angle B less than angle A, automatically, if the angles are in same order, the sides opposite to angle B. In AOB, the side opposite to B, opposite to angle B, OA, okay, is also in same order, opposite to A, OB. Right? Similarly, angle C less than angle D. Then in that right side triangle, the side opposite to angle C, OD, is also in same order, the side opposite to angle D in OCD, OC. Okay children? So let us write one under one. OA less than OB and OD less than OC. Now add these two children. Then OA plus OD is same inequality OB plus OC. Okay, now you see the diagram. If you add OA and OD, which is nothing but AD, and if you add OB to OC, which is nothing but BC. Okay, so we need to show AD less than, this is not AC children, this is BC. Okay, AD less than BC. So this is the explanation for question number 5 children. Our next question, question number 6. Question number 6. ABCD is okay. Try to construct a triangle with the measurements. Try to construct a triangle with how much? 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 1 centimeters. Okay, is it possible or not? First of all, is it possible or not? If possible, give the reasons. If not possible, then also give the reasons. Okay, first of all, what is the triangle property? We know that in a triangle, okay, sum of two sides is greater than the third side. If the property holds for any given 3 measurements, then only we are able to construct the triangle with that particular measurements. Otherwise, we can't. So let us verify whether the given measurements are satisfied. This, yes, 5 plus 8 is 13 is greater than 1, correct. Oh, we may construct. Next, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, greater than 5. Yes, again it is satisfying. Next possibility, 1 plus 5, 6, cannot greater than 8. Okay, it is not correct. So out of the 3, all the 3 possibilities must satisfy, otherwise we can't. So with this reason, okay, we can't construct the triangle. Therefore, we can't construct triangle with 5 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 1 centimeter. Okay children? So 100% the 3 measurements must satisfy the properties of triangles. Okay children? This is the explanation for question number 6. So our next question is question number 7. Question number 7. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. In which angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Find the remaining angles. Find the remaining angles. Okay. Let us draw one rough diagram for parallelogram children. A, B, C, D, and this is given as 60 degrees. Okay. So how to find the remaining angles? Children, let us recall the properties of parallelogram. First of all, a quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Parallel and equal. then the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Here opposite angles are equal. We know that in parallelogram, this is the symbol for parallelogram, children. In parallelogram ABCD, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So from that we can say angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Also we know that adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So what is the meaning of supplementary? Sum of the two angles becomes 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. So from that we can say angle B is equal to 180 minus angle A. So angle A already it is given 60. So 180 minus 60. So this is 120 degrees. If it is 120, from the concept of opposite angles are equal, these are 120. Therefore, angles of parallelogram ABCD are, okay, so angle A 60 degrees, angle B 120 degrees, and angle C 60 degrees, and again angle D 120 degrees. Okay, children, this is the explanation for question number 7, children. Now the next one is question number 8. Question number 8. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 4.5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Okay, if it's so, find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. So let us see the diagram of parallelogram A, B, C, D. So we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equal to CD is equal to, similarly AB CD same and BC AD same, BC AD same. So one is 4.5, another is 3, 4.5, another is 3 centimeters. If it's so, perimeter of parallelogram ABCD is, okay, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Perimeter means, you know very well, children, total length of the boundary of linear given figure is nothing but its perimeter. So this is 4.5 plus 3 plus 4.5 plus 3. That gives, okay, 9 plus 6, 15 centimeters, children. That gives perimeter of parallelogram ABCD is 15 centimeters. So that's all for today's assignment. Have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.